Hello, I'm Neha, a banking aspirant. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Labor Omnia Vincit, which means work conquers all. In this video, we are going to learn daily current affairs in the form of a quiz of 30th April 2020. First, let us know what are the categories of current affair: day, ranking and index, new appointment, national and international news, sports, science and technology, apps and government scheme, obituary. So the first question is based on the category of day. International Dance Day is celebrated on which date? Option A 29th April, option B 28th April. So the right answer is International Dance Day is celebrated on 29th of April. Static GK related with this question is about the International Theatre Institute. President of International Theatre Institute is Mohammad Saif Al Afkham and Director General Tobias Blancone. Headquarter is in Shanghai, China. About UNESCO. Headquarter Paris, France. Head name Audrey Osley, and it was founded on 16th November 1945. So the next question is based on new appointments. Question number 2. Who has been appointed by India as the new ambassador to Qatar, Bahrain? Option A Rakesh Dubey and option B is Deepak Mittal. The right answer is Deepak Mittal. Deepak Mittal has been appointed by India as the new ambassador to Qatar, Bahrain. Static GK related with this question is Qatar capital is Doha and currency is Riyal. Bahrain capital Minami and currency is Dinar. So the next question is based on international news. Question number 3. Name the Navy of US. The Navy of US hosts the world's largest maritime exercise, the Rim of Pacific, in which region this year? Option A Hawaii, option B Goa. So the right answer is the Navy of US will host the world's largest maritime exercise, the Rim of Pacific in Hawaii. So the next question is based on new appointments. Question number 4. Who has recently been appointed as the ambassador, permanent representative of India to the UN, that is United Nations? Option A T.S. Trimurthy, option B Y.S. Reddy. So the correct answer is T.S. Trimurthy has been recently appointed as the ambassador, permanent representative of India to the United Nations. Obituary जिसे हम कहते हैं श्रद्धांजलि. Next question is Rishi Kapoor passed away at 67. He made his first appearance in which of the following film? Option A Shri 420, option B Mera Naam Joker. So the correct answer is Rishi Kapoor made his first appearance in Shri 420. So the next question is based on banking and finance. Question number 6. Which bank has launched a loan scheme for COVID-19 affected medium, small, micro enterprises borrowers whose activities are disrupted due to COVID-19? Option A Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank, option B Vijaya Bank. So the right answer is Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank has launched a loan scheme for COVID-19 affected medium, small, micro enterprises borrowers whose activities are disrupted due to COVID-19. Next question, question number 7. Which bank has put together a special 1,000 crores refinance facility for housing finance companies that to partially mitigate the liquidity risk and improve overall liquidity in the overall housing finance system? Option A, NHB, National Housing Bank. Option B, ADB, Asian Development Bank. So the correct answer is NHB, National Housing Bank. Next question is based on international news. The US has provided additional $1 million to India in a bid to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. We have to fill the blank, and the option A is $3 million and option B is $4 million. So the correct answer is US has provided additional $3 million to India in a bid to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Next question is based on sports. India has lost the hosting right of 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship to which country? Options are Serbia, option B, Dubai. So the right answer is Serbia. Static GK related with International Boxing Association. Its headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland, and president name is Gafar Rakhimov. Banking and finance. Which international institution has decided to give $346 million loan to help provide reliable power connections in rural Maharashtra? Options are ADB, Asian Development Bank, and PNB, Punjab National Bank. So the right answer is ADB, Asian Development Bank, has decided to give $346 million loan to help provide reliable power connections in rural Maharashtra. Next question is based on index and ranking. According to the latest Open Budget survey, what is the India's ranking among 117 nations in terms of budget transparency and accountability? Options are 53rd or 54th. So the right answer is India stands 53rd rank in the ranking among 117 nations in terms of budget and transparency accountability. Next question is based on banking and finance. The World Bank has approved an amount $million to help enhance India's coastal resource and improve livelihood opportunities. Options are 400 million, option B 500 million. So the right answer is 400 million. World Bank has approved an amount of 400 million to help enhance India's coastal resource and improved livelihood opportunities. Next question is based on science and technology. Name the robot device designed by CSIR Lab Durgapur to help and assist frontline COVID-19 health workers. Options are CHARD, HCARD or TrueBot. So the correct answer is HCARD. has been designed by CSIR Lab Durgapur to help and assist frontline COVID-19 help workers. Static GK is HCARD, stand for Hospital Care Assistive Robotic Device. Next question is based on new appointment. Who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of Public Enterprises Selection Board PESB to the post for period of 3 years? Option A Rajiv Kumar, option B Rajneesh Kumar. So the right answer is Rajiv Kumar has been appointed as the chairman of Public Enterprises Selection Board PESB to the post for a period of 3 years. Next question is based on apps and government scheme. MyGov, that is My Government, has collaborated with which app to disperse information related to COVID-19? Options are VMate or VidMate. So the right answer is My Government has collaborated with VMate app to disperse information related to COVID-19. Next question is based on new appointments. Who has been named as interim MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank Housing Finance? Options are Neeraj Vyas, option B Dilip Kumar. So the right answer is Neeraj Vyas has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of PNB Housing Finance. Next question is based on MOU, that is मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. जब किसी दो पार्टीज़ के बीच में कोई संधि होती है, कोई ट्रीटी होती है, तो हम उन्हें कहते हैं मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. विच ऑटोमोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर हैज़ जॉइंड हैंड्स विद AGVA Agwa Healthcare to supply 10,000 ventilator by May end 2020? Option A is Maruti Suzuki and option B is Yamaha. So the right answer is Maruti Suzuki has joined hands with Agwa Healthcare to supply 10,000 ventilator by May end 2020. Next question is based on day. The Ayushman Bharat Divas is observed every year on dash of April across the country to promote affordable medical facilities across the country. Options are 29th April and 30th April. So the right answer is Ayushman Bharat Divas is observed every year on 30th April across the country to promote affordable medical facilities across the country. Next question is based on new appointments. Who will take over the post of new Vigilance Commissioner from the incumbent Sharad Kumar? Options are Suresh N. Patel. Option B Durgesh Sah. Answer is Suresh N. Patel will take over the post of the new Vigilance Commissioner from the incumbent Sharad Kumar. Next question is based on books and authors. Una Bala Subramanian newest book on India's unsung hero Sayaji Rao Gaekwadi, the Maharaja of Baroda, has been published by which publication house? Option A Rupa, option B Chandra. So the right answer is The book has been published by Rupa Publication. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.